Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with Rooted in the Rock, and I've got something dropping from the travel branch right now. Hey everyone, welcome to Rooted in the Rock. I'm so glad you're here. Today is a travel edition. I just wanted to share with you the elevator ride in and out of the Space 220 restaurant in Epcot at Disney World. Now, Space 220 restaurant is very, very expensive, and it's really hard to get a reservation. However, it is really, really neat, and if you ever get a chance to go eat there, if you save up or you have the money to do it, I would suggest doing it at least once. It is really neat. The food is pretty good, and the space window in the restaurant, there's a huge window all down one side of the restaurant, and it's like space video, and there are fun little things that go flying through space that you catch during your meal. But one of the neat things that they do is you take an elevator in and out of the restaurant, and it's like the whole concept of the restaurant is way up in space. So there is a video screen in the floor and a video screen in the ceiling, and you're like in an elevator pod that goes up this, I can't remember what they call it, but it's basically an elevator lift up to the space station where the restaurant is. And so I have a video for you for going up and coming down, because it's just really neat to see and it's really fun. The ambiance and all that, Disney is so good at doing that, and it's really neat in the elevator. So yes, I have the video for you. It is not a replacement for going and doing it yourself, because of course it is, there are points where let's look and see what's up. You've got up and down going at the same time. It's not the same as being there. It's much better to be there and get to experience it yourself. However, I just wanted to share this little tidbit with you because it's just really neat and it's fun and it's short, and I just wanted to share it.
You're riding aboard the Mark V Stellarator, the latest in space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the Eastern Seaboard. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with arrival information.
SV1, we are on our final approach.
Roger that. If you look above, you'll see Centauri Space Station coming into view. Once we dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open airlock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
SV1 cleared for arrival.
Gravity generator active.
Airlock activated. Docking complete.
SV1, you're cleared for departure. Initiating descent in 3, 2, 1. Your journey back to Epcot will be a smooth and quick one today, so enjoy the ride. Epcot is now coming into view. When we dock, gather your belongings, exit through the open airlock, and watch your younger travelers. SV1 cleared for arrival.
So please share in the comments if you have been, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you're hoping to get to go there soon, if you have any questions for me, if there's anything I can help with, maybe I can help you, and have a great week. and out of Disney's, Disney, start that over, at Disney's Epcot. At Disney's Epcot, is that what? In Disney Epcot. How do you say that? Without this, just stop.